To begin with, let us review the 6 basic flight instruments. Importance of standardization on aircraft instruments.
It's time to figure it out, leave without any doubt. I have some friends too.
Standardization is the process of creating standards to guide the creation of a good or service based on the consensus of all the relevant parties in the industry. In 1937, the British Royal Air Force, or RAF, chose a set of 6 essential flight instruments which would remain the standard panel used for flying in instrument meteorological conditions, or IMC, for the next 20 years. In the design and manufacture of any product, it is the practice to set an overall standard for quality of the product and reliability when ultimately performing its intended function. The purpose of this effort was to determine those characteristics of general aviation cockpit design that may reasonably be standardized to reduce the potential for pilot errors, accidents, and incidents. The cockpit of an airplane presents both traditional tasks for which there are well-established population stereotypes utilizing reliable habits, and also novel displays and controls that have been created specifically for individual aircraft types. Pilot error accidents were drawn from the NTSB files and reviewed to determine if lack of standardization in cockpit design was a significant contributory factor.